Hi, I'm Carlton Lewis, a licensed real estate expert in the state of Georgia. If you're looking to sell your home quickly, this video is for you. Today, we'll cover the current market in Savannah, Georgia, common reasons why homeowners need to sell fast, the benefits of selling to a cash buyer, and the step-by-step process to get your home sold in no time. Plus, I'll share some real-life success stories to show you how we've helped homeowners just like you. Now, Savannah, Georgia, known for its charming historic districts and coastal beauty, has a dynamic housing market. In recent years, the market has experienced steady growth, driven by an influx of new residents attracted to its unique blend of southern charm and modern amenities. As of mid-2024, home prices in Savannah have seen a modest increase, with the median home price around $300,000. The market is relatively competitive, with homes often receiving multiple offers and selling quickly. However, like any market, there are fluctuations, and it's crucial to stay informed with current market trends. Whether you're looking to buy or sell, understanding the local market conditions can make a significant difference in your real estate experience. Common reasons people need to sell quickly. Many homeowners face situations where they need to sell quickly. This could be due to financial hardship, such as a job loss, or unexpected medical bills. Others may need to relocate because of a new job or military deployment. Life changes like divorce, downsizing, or inheriting a property can also prompt a quick sale. Lastly, if your home needs repairs that you can't afford, selling quickly can be a great solution. Benefits of selling to a cash buyer. One of the biggest advantages to selling to a cash buyer is the speed of the sale. Cash buyers can close deals in days, not months. You won't need to worry about things like making repairs or staging your home, as cash buyers often purchase properties as is. There's also more certainty in the closing process, as cash buyers don't need mortgage approvals, reducing the risk of deals falling through. Step-by-step process of selling fast. Here's how the process works. Step 1, contact us for a consultation. We'll assess your property either in person or virtually. Next, you'll receive a cash offer, which you can review and accept. Once you accept the offer, we'll handle the paperwork and the legal steps. Finally, we'll close the deal, typically within days, and you'll receive your funds. Real life success stories. Let me share a couple of success stories. One homeowner needed to sell quickly due to a job relocation. We assessed the property, made a fair cash offer, and closed the deal within a week. Another homeowner was behind on payments and facing foreclosure. By selling to us, they avoided foreclosure and walked away with cash in hand. If you need to sell your home fast, contact us today for a no obligation consultation. You can reach us at 470-231-6539. That's 470-231-6539. Or by email at carltonlewis@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real estate tips and success stories. This has been Carlton Lewis, your Georgia real estate expert. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.